Hello, in this video I'm going to be installing OBS software onto my computer. Firstly, I'll go to the OBS website by opening my browser and going to https://obsproject.com. That opens this screen. Here I'm looking to see which operating system I've got, and I know it's a Windows operating system, so I'll click here. On this computer I'm running Windows 10. To download the program, I'll click open on this little window here. Click yes to say I do want it to make changes, and then the setup wizard begins. So let's go through it. This setup will guide you through installing OBS Studio. It is recommended that you close all other applications before starting, including OBS Studio. This will make it possible to update relevant files without having to reboot your computer. Well, I've not got OBS Studio on this computer, so that's easy, but I will close the browser. Next, click Next. And there's terms and conditions to read. I'm a fast reader. And accept by clicking yeah, Next. It offers a folder where you're going to install the program and tells you the amount of space it will take. If you want to change that folder, you can click Browse here and navigate somewhere else, but I'm quite happy with the default settings, so I'll click Install. And there it is installing, and this is version OBS Studio 26.1.1, as it says there. Completing setup. I'll click Finish and it will launch like this. And now I've got some choices. Firstly, it's asking me what I want to use the program for. I'm going to leave it on optimised for streaming, and recording is secondary. If I was only using OBS for recording, I would select this option, and if I was only using it for the virtual camera, which is a really neat feature that's recently been added into the main menu, then I'd choose this. But because I do want to do streaming, I'll select the top option. It says at the bottom that the auto configuration wizard will determine the best settings based on your computer specs and internet speed. And it also mentions that it can be run at any time. And if you go to the tools menu, which is up here, then this option to go for the auto configuration wizard will be there again. So I'll click Next. And already it's determined that these are the best settings. Having a look at them, I don't see any reason to change any of those, so I'll click Next. And if I was doing any streaming now, I could connect, but I'm going to skip this step at this stage, so I'll just click Cancel, and there we are. It's just about set up. I'm just going to adjust this so that it fills the screen. I can see everything on here, and at the moment you can see I've got one canvas in the middle. I prefer to using it with two, so I'm going to click here for studio mode, and now we're ready to start setting up OBS to use, and I'll do that in the next section.